Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my shakes, like 5 shakes that I drink and smoothies that I drink during this season basically, and what you can try to drink if you actually want to lose weight. So these shakes are like super simple, super easy. The only thing that I don't put in my shakes, I don't put sugar, and yeah, I don't put sugar. So everything is like strictly natural and everything is vegan. So I don't put honey either. So I don't put sugar and I don't put honey in my shakes, okay? So I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 different shakes that you can, you know, try to drink and so forth during the summer. They're very healthy, lots of nutrients, protein, everything that you need to stay nice and fit during summer, because you know everybody wants the summer body, but we have to actually eat food that's going to build up, you know, your energy and also to make you feel good and also to shed some pounds. All right, so I'm going to share with you 5 smoothies, drinks, and like 1 tea that I drink. Then the next thing I'm going to be trying is, let me just mix it up a little bit, and I'm using the same straw guys, but don't worry, it's fine. So the next thing we're going to be trying, this one is beets, pineapples, and strawberries. That's it, with a little lemon juice. Beets, pineapple, and strawberries with a little lemon juice. But this is amazing. I can easily finish this. Amazing. And then the next thing I'm going to try now is this is my matcha coconut milk. Yeah, matcha with coconut milk basically. So I'm going to drink it now. This is just matcha, as I said before, and coconut milk, nothing more. That basically, no sugar, nothing. And this is my all-time favorite because it's so good. This is what I drink all the time because it's just amazing. It's a very refreshing drink. And I can easily finish this right now, so I love matcha. This is peanut punch with peanut punch and banana, peanut punch oatmeal, yeah, peanut punch and oatmeal with coconut milk and a little salt to taste and no sugar added. Very nice. And I'm just going to mix it right now. I'm going to mix it around just because, you know. So let me just mix it and let me try it. Nice and fresh, a nice peanutty taste, but not too much peanut. Yeah, very good. I love this. I'm not going to drink all of it. I'm going to put it down for tomorrow, so I maybe drink a little bit of it. But it's good and very natural, and it's very thick and heavy. So if I'm doing anything, my day is going to be really active and I need like the little, you know, protein and just energy and so forth, I like to drink this. It depends on what I'm going to eat throughout the day. If I'm going to eat something that is going to be like not a lot of protein, then I'll drink this. And then the last one is my banana punch, banana punch with cinnamon and nutmeg. So this one is really nice. This one is delicious. Guys, I'm just trying it for you, okay? You shouldn't drink all of this fruits and banana and all of that together. I'm just trying it for you. But this is amazing and refreshing. I'm gonna drink off everything. So good. Sorry. But yes guys, that's all I drink. Oh, and the banana has, this one has banana coconut milk and yeah, the cinnamon and nutmeg. And that's it. So these are the healthy shakes that I drink. I hope I don't have anything in my mouth. These are the shakes that I drink on an everyday basis, and loving them, loving them. And I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoy this. Hope you learned something. And yeah, this is what I do in order to lose weight and so forth. So yeah, but just don't juice and drink everything at the same time. I'm just showing you, okay? So if anything happens to me in terms of my stomach, my fault, okay? My fault. But I'm just sharing with you all the drinks that I usually drink during the daytime. But I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next one.